Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create organized documents in ClickUp step by step. Whether you're writing reading notes, documenting workflows, building a knowledge base, or simply keeping your team aligned in one place, ClickUp Docs can make the entire process much easier and more organized. So let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the official ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign in using your email and password if you aren't already logged in. After signing in successfully, you'll arrive at your ClickUp dashboard. This is the main workspace where your projects, tasks, folders, and documents are all managed together. If you work with multiple teams or workspaces, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct one before creating your document. This small step helps avoid confusion later and keeps your files properly organized from the start. Next, look toward the left-hand sidebar. This area acts as the main navigation panel inside ClickUp and gives you access to different tools and sections. Scroll down slightly until you find the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on it. A larger menu will expand, showing additional workspace features. From this list, select Docs. This will open the ClickUp Docs section, which is where all your documents are stored, managed, and shared with teammates. Once you're inside the Docs area, move your attention toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Doc. Click on that button to continue. Now, ClickUp will give you the option to either start with a blank document or use a template. Templates are useful if you regularly create similar types of documents like meeting agendas, project plans, or onboarding guides. For this example, let's create a blank document. After the document opens, the first thing you should do is give it a clear and descriptive title. Using proper titles is extremely important because it makes searching and organizing documents much easier later. For example, instead of naming a file Notes, you could use something more specific like Weekly Marketing Meeting Notes or Website Launch Checklist. Clear naming keeps your workspace cleaner and helps teammates quickly find the right information. Once your title is added, you can begin typing directly into the document. ClickUp Docs supports headings, bullet points, numbered lists, tables, checklists, embedded tasks, and even media files. Using headings is one of the best ways to keep your content organized because it separates information into readable sections. You can also highlight important details using bold text or checklists to make action items easier to track. Another helpful feature is collaboration. You can invite teammates to edit or view the document in real time, which is great for team planning, brainstorming sessions, or shared documentation. If you want to keep information private, you can also control sharing permissions and limit access only to certain team members. One important tip is to group related documents together. For example, if you're working on a client project, keep all related meeting notes, plans, and documentation inside the same section or folder. This keeps your workspace tidy and reduces time spent searching for files later. You can also link documents directly to tasks, making it easier to connect planning with execution inside ClickUp. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create organized documents in ClickUp, structure your content properly, and collaborate more effectively with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.